Okay. Alright. Well, let's do this. Hello, people. Another beautiful day. Yeah. And it's Friday. Hope your five senses work. Health and strength is good. Or excellent. What? What's up, gamers? So, China has approved the Microsoft and Activision Blizzard merger. Phil Spencer said he got 14 jurisdictions. So now he has 8. So let me see here. He has, okay, Chile, Brazil, Serbia, Saudi Arabia, Japan, South Africa, Ukraine, and now China. That's 8. Phil Spencer said he has 14. So we're gonna find out who's the other 6. So yeah, the European Commission approves the deal. So things is getting looking a little better. Listen to this. Microsoft recently saw a major positive outcome for the Activision Blizzard deal. The European European Commission, has now approved the deal, giving more hope for the future. Just a few days ago, the European regulators report Microsoft has earned another significant approval. According to a new report, China has joined the list of countries approving the $68.7 billion deal. Why it matters: the gaming giant has seen a gradual increase in the list of countries supporting the Microsoft Activision merger. With China inclusion, this list has grown further, highlighting the global support. Says here, previously countries like Japan, South Africa, Brazil, Saudi Arabia, and more approved the Activision Blizzard acquisition. Cloud companies like GeForce Now and Boosteroid are also in favor of the deal, following recent commitment from Microsoft that would ensure that gaming giant provide its games to their service. However, Microsoft has faced major resistance from the U.S. regulators, the FTC. Additionally, the CMA has also blocked the deal, while Microsoft aimed to appeal the CMA's decision. The UK regulator has shown no signs of reverting the verdict. Says here, following the European Commission announcement, the CMA came out to disagree, elaborating why the European Commission made the wrong decision. Nonetheless, China supports could go a long way to ensure the outcome of this merger ends up in Microsoft's favor. And that's the end of the article. This article is from Tech for Gamers. What's up, Tech for Gamers? So, let's see here. Okay, you got let's see, you got Enware, Ubitus, Boosteroid, Nvidia. Let me see, you got EE, Enware, Ubitus, Boosteroid, Nvidia, and Nintendo, who got the 10-year contracts. Now you got 8 countries now, so you got Chile, Serbia, Saudi Arabia, Brazil, Japan, South Africa, Ukraine, and now China. So that's 8. Now, according to Phil Spencer, they really got 14. So the European Commission approved the deal, but the CMA disagrees with the European Commission. Well, the saga continues, and then you got the FTC. They try to remove Nintendo from the picture. They got some explanation to do, because Nintendo has a Call of Duty fan base, and it is big. So things is looking good for Microsoft, going forward. This is going to end up in the courts, in the higher courts, whether in the United States or in the in the League of Nations, the United Nations. This might end up there. So this Activision Blizzard deal is pretty big, you know. Microsoft is getting all the support it needs. They're not alone by themselves in this. You got 98% of the shareholders, um, um, including in this deal. You got the employees. That's all included. And you got 75% of the public out of 100. So this is going to end up in the higher courts in the United Nations, and then you have the Supreme Court to deal with. So the saga continue with this this Activision merger, you know, and the CMA and the FTC got some explaining to do, because they try to treat Nintendo like the middleman and all this, like they don't matter. And Nintendo has a Call of Duty fan base, and it is big. So yeah, but this also goes back now to what I said about the Wii U, why Nintendo should have never built the Switch, because now you need it to really utilize Call of Duty. So yeah, Microsoft, those who signed up for the 10-year contracts, they will benefit from this. They won't have to pay that licensing fee, so they won't have to wait 6 months to a year to get content and update. They will get everybody will get their content and update all at the same time. It's not like where Sony had it, when Sony had the exclusive rights to Call of Duty, and they got the content to themselves for 6 months to a year, and then you got to sit there and wait. When Microsoft does it, everybody gets their content and updates up front. So yeah, things is looking good for Microsoft, you know. But this now goes back to what I said about the Wii U, when Nintendo should have kept using it. Because when it comes to Call of Duty, the Wii U utilizes that game. All you have to do is play Black Ops 2 and Ghost, and then you see for yourself, you know. So Nintendo need to go back to the Wii U and correct some things on it, and put some power in the system and put some space on the CD, and fix the signal strength so they can do stream and remote play and have their handheld mode covered. So yeah, they're gonna have to go back to it. But so far, as far as Microsoft end goes, so far so good, you know. Yeah, you know, more countries are showing their support for Microsoft, you know, and this is looking good. So you know, it was a good thing that Microsoft gave out those 10-year contracts versus sitting there just waiting on a decision, you know. Those 10-year contracts that they were giving out really help. And now countries now are getting support. So that means China now. So that means China now is going to be getting Xbox games once they sign up to the 10-year deal. That means China is going to get Xbox games, you know. So yeah, PC Game Pass games, you know. Windows games on our PC. So yeah, with Game Pass. So yeah, so far so good, man. Microsoft was right for doing this. You know, they saw the vision with this, and you know, they're not trying to leave anybody out, you know, out of the deal. You know, even Google, who was against the deal, could have signed up for it. You know, it would have really helped their Stadia, so to speak. So yeah, but you know, this little saga, you know, will continue. You know, the saga continue with this. You know. More countries will be coming to this, coming to the aid of Microsoft, you know. So yeah, the CMA and the FTC got a fight on their hand, especially when you got countries that are governments with their own attorneys involved in this. Yeah, they came prepared, ready for battle, and the battle is gonna be, you know, over Activision Blizzard. So yeah. The courts, the higher courts, they're ready. They're ready to have their say in this matter too. So yeah, I would be. I wouldn't be surprised if there's more government officials, speaking out on this. So yeah, that's it in a nutshell, man. But so far, what? China, Japan, Ukraine, South Africa, Serbia, Chile, Brazil, and Saudi Arabia. 8. So yeah, the saga continues. I'll keep you guys posted on this. Anyway, the latest video for y'all to enjoy. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still Star Wars and Star Trek fan. Board or such. Go. Peace.